like rocket. What you talking about? Space out your mind. Can you rock it like rocket? You brought the ladybird.
She's my emotional support animal.
You gonna need a life support animal if that bird poop in
My car.
We got company.
We've got units blocking every street, overpass, and exit within a 5-mile radius. Perfect. Time for a cattle drive.
Saddle up!
Evasive maneuvers activated.
Ooh.
I don't have time for this. Activate weapons.
Activating weapons.
Relax. I'm just gonna take out the tires.
Oh, that's really bad. Oh, I dare you. Deactivating weapons.
No, we're the good guys. We can't shoot the other good guys.
Yeah, you're right, Walter. Let's just pull over and talk it out.
Exactly. Can we?
Activate weapons.
Activating weapons.
Deactivate weapons.
Deactivating weapons.
How about something non-lethal like oil slick?
Activate weapons.
Deactivate weapons.
Don't listen to Walter. Activate weapons.
Oil slick.
Activate weapons.
Oil slick.
This man tripping.
Deactivate. System shut down. Goodbye.
Oh, what did you do?
You just got into a fight. Under the truck.
He's like a god of the asphalt.
We'll see about that.
All right, I got
Go through the gap.
We should be coming up on him any second.
Oh. Go through the tunnel.
This ends now. Is everyone in position?
in position. Walter, get that computer back online.
System's coming back online.
Defensive applications online.
Oil slick.
Fine, whatever, just press it. Wait, we're driving backwards.
That's not good. Fire! Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you.
That was tight.
Yep, it's official. I'm a fan. Did anyone else see a pigeon in that car? Auto drive engaged.
I can't help but feel like some of this is my fault.
Some? Joker, this is all your fault. Airstrip. Now.
I'm sorry, geez. Didn't mean to ruffle your feathers.
I hate you.